Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to walk you through how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. So as you can tell, so many YouTubers are making videos with their face. So what if you are someone like introverted, or maybe you're a shy person and you still wanted to make money with YouTube by not showing your face? So if that is the case, this is actually the video that you don't want to miss. So be sure to stick with me until the end of this video. I'm going to share with you what type of video that you can actually make and what type of content that could actually crushing it on YouTube and can make you a lot of money by not showing your face. So before we start, if you just came across to this video, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and online marketing in general. And consider subscribing if that type of content is your jam. And don't forget to smash the like button below if you could find some value throughout my sharing in this video. And also, if you want to learn how to grow your online business, be sure to click the first link in my description, because I have a free physical book that I'm going to send to your doorstep for literally free. So let's dive right into it. So if you take a look at this one, so I just want to give you some idea what is possibly you can make in order to make money with YouTube without showing your face, right? So if you will type in relaxing music, you're going to come across to all these different videos over here, and this is actually the videos that got so many views. Just take a look at this video over here. 13 million views uploaded 1 year ago. So this one, 132 million views uploaded 4 years ago, right? So take a look at this one, 136 million of views uploaded 2 years ago. So this is all the videos that very simple, which is you don't have to show your face. And I also going to share with you where you can actually create, model, and implement this exact same technique, exact same niche. And I also going to reveal to you all the source file, where you need to go, what you need to do, and in order to do the exact same thing like all this video over here. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 53 million views uploaded 2 years ago, guys. So this is insane amount of views, considering you don't need to even create this video. I mean, you don't even need to record. What you need to do is just simply copy and paste. I'm going to reveal to you just a second, right? So this is relaxing music. Let's take a look at another one. This is soothing baby music, right? So this is by far for the parents that have some trouble to put their babies into sleep. So they're going to head off to YouTube, and maybe they're going to looking for this type of content, because this type of music probably going to help their baby to sleep, right? So just take a look at the views, guys. Millions of views. Take a look at this one. 120 millions of views uploaded 3 years ago. And just take a look at how long this video is, right? So that is the reasons why all these people making this video such a long like this, right? So I'm going to reveal to you just a second. So take a look at the third niche, which is sleeping music for deep sleep, right? So same goes with both a niche, same goes with both of type of videos. So this is also the videos that helping people to sleep. So if you are someone that having a difficult to sleep, you might want to consuming this type of videos as well before you sleep. All right, so now I'm going to reveal to you why this type of videos is actually very long. For your information, YouTube pay close attention with the audience retention, right? So how long people going to consume your content is really matter on YouTube, because the reasons why, as you need to know that YouTube is actually a business, right? So they want to keep people as long as possible into their platform, so that they can serve those people, those audience who are watching their videos, more ads, and then they're going to make a lot of money. Same goes with you. So it is a win-win situation. So that is why by having this video that longer, like 11 hours, 1 hour, 3 hours, it is very something that you need to do, and it is very benefit to your YouTube business as well, because on average people is going to consume videos on YouTube like 20%. So just imagine if you have 3 hours long videos and people going to consume your content like 20%, maybe it's somewhere like 30 minutes or 45 minutes, right? So you're going to be able to get a lot of attention from YouTube, because YouTube is going to notice that your videos has long retention, so that they're going to promote your channel and your particular videos to more people, and that is when you're going to be able to get a lot more views and a lot more subscribers, and as a result you're going to be able to make way more money with the YouTube ads revenue. So I hope it makes sense to you guys. Okay, so that is why this type of video very long. And the another reasons why is because in order to create this type of videos is very simple. You don't even need to record the videos. What you need to do, just simply copy and paste and merging couple of videos, couple of files in order to keep on duplicate the video in order to get these long videos. It's very simple. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to do it. Okay, so same goes off with this video as well. And the best part about this type of videos is it is not actually the videos that people looking for. All right, so people who are actually consuming this content, they are just want to listen to this music, for example, like sleeping music for deep sleep. So if you think about it, those people who have like a problem with sleep, they just want to listen to this music, right? So once they click on the music, and they just going to play the music without actually watching this music, and if they fall asleep while they are watching these videos, you're gonna be able to, they probably literally going to watch the entire video, right? So your audience retention, which is your watch hour, is going to increase to the roof, and that is what YouTube love, and they're going to give you more boost, more exposure, and they're going to promote your videos and your channel particularly more to more audience, right? So I hope it makes sense to you guys. Okay, so this is the type of video that you really want to looking for in order to make a lot of money on YouTube. So I'm going to share with you how much money this type of videos or this type of channel made, right? So for example, like the Soul of Wind over here. So in order to do that, you can go to Social Blade, type in Social Blade, you're going to land over to this site, and then I'm going to type in the Soul of Wind. Okay, so I'm going to type in the Soul of Wind. Take a look at this channel over here. So we kind of like want to analyze how much money that this type of channel can make per month, right? So take a look at the estimated monthly earnings. So approximately, by the way, this is just like rough estimation. Approximately this channel making $3.4 thousand to $54,000 per month, guys, right? So how insane that earning is. So approximately, this is actually just a rough estimation, so the estimation may be a little bit wide, but I'm pretty sure this channel are making like somewhere 25 to 30,000 per month with these huge views. Take a look at the views over here, 13 million views for the last 30 days. Okay, so just take a look at the subscribers over here. This channel got almost 10,000 of subscribers every single day, right? This is very insane. So what it does is literally just compiling a few different music and running on the background, and then just put some still image or some simple video, which is you can do as well. Okay, so now I'm going to share with you where you can get this type of videos. Okay, so it's very simple. You can head off to pexel.com, and then you can type like maybe nature, for example, right? So then you can choose either still images or videos, right? Let's take a look at the videos over here. By the way, Pexel is actually a free license content, so you don't have to worry about the copyright strike or whatsoever, right? So and it is 100% free. There's no investment, there's no credit card information required as well, so you can literally download everything for free. Okay, for example, if we take a look at this video over here, so this video has gotten almost 700,000 of views, right? So I'm going to click play real quick. So this is the type of videos, right? It's very simple, guys. So what you need to do is simply click downloads, and of course it is according to your niche, according to your videos. Maybe this is congruent with relaxing music or sleeping music, right? So what you need to do is just click the free download and then download to your desktop. So as you can see, the video is not long, right? So it's just like 31 seconds. So what you need to do now is you need to download as many videos as possible, or maybe you want to download like 10 videos, Okay, so if you can get 1 hour videos, and then what you need to do is once you compile everything, if you get like 30 minutes of videos, once you compile everything, what you need to do is you need simply loop everything back, copy and paste the exact same videos until you have a certain minutes or certain hours that you want. So maybe 1 hours or 2 hours long. It is totally up to you. All right, so that is number one, which is the videos. But you can also simply use the still images, which is on the photo over here, because it doesn't matter. As I told you, those type of content, people who consuming this content, they are not actually watching this video. What they need is just simply listen to the music. Okay, so it is very, very simple. So you can choose any picture that congruent, that suitable for the niche or for the videos that you want to create, right? So simply click one of this picture and then simply click download. For example, I click this one, click the video, and then click free download, and then you're going to be able to download on your desktop. And what you can do next is you need to compile on the software. Okay, so before I reveal the software, I want to share with you where you can actually get those sound effects. So it is very, very simple. Simply go to your YouTube studios. So it has the built-in, YouTube has the built-in in YouTube Studio, which is YouTube Creator. It is 100% free. There's no copyright strike or whatsoever, because obviously it's provided by YouTube itself, right? So what you need to do is go to the audio library. Simply click on the audio library. Then you're going to be able to land on this particular page over here. Okay, so just take a look at the free music here. So they have bunch of music, and if you want to use one of these, you can simply search for filter library. So I'm going to genre, right? So maybe I'm going to click on the ambient, for example, and click apply, and then it's going to help you to preview all the ambience related music. Right, so take a look at this one. For example, I'm going to click play. Oops. Okay, this one, I'm going to click play. Okay, perfect, right? So this is the type of music that really suit with the relaxing music, right? So as you can see, the duration is 23. So if I want to have like 1 hour or 2 hour video long, so what I need to do is simply download the videos, and then I'm going to loop it couple of times in order to have it 2 hour or 3 hours long videos, right? So that is number one. So we have the file, which is the sounds, and we have the image or videos from the pexel.com, right? So what you need to do is a software, which is a free software. So if you want to use your window movie maker, you can do it as well. If you are on Mac, you can use iMovie. But if you don't have any option of that, you can simply go to OpenShot, right? So type in openshot.org. So this is actually a free software. It is 100% free. There's no investment needed or whatsoever. So what you need to do is simply download the software, and then you can merge your image and your audio with this software. It is very, very simple. So I'm not going to reveal to you everything, because it is pretty simple in order to use this software. Okay, so what you need to do is download this software and merge it and save in your browser, and then you'll be able to re-upload it on your YouTube channel. Okay, so that is how you're going to have your file. So in order to monetize it, you can now monetize with the ads revenue. But I want to reveal to you another best strategy, another best method, which is you can make way more money compared to YouTube ads revenue, and it is called affiliate marketing. So what you need to do is head off to clickbank.com. So you might want to log in. I have registered. It is 100% free as well. There's no investment needed. So once you log in, click on the marketplace, you're going to land over to this page over here. So for example, if you were doing relaxing music type of videos, what you need to do is you can go to ClickBank, find a product, and just simply type relaxing music, right? So click search. So you're going to be able to find a couple of videos or a couple of products that are related to relaxing music. For example, like maybe this one over here. Okay, let's take a look at this one over here. All right, so cure insomnia, right? So 6 steps to sleep. So this is actually the product that related to sleeping music, for example. Okay, So you can get this one, and the commission is $9. If you get a sale, you're going to get paid $9 for a commission. Okay, so so this is a secret law of attraction. You can also find secret law of attraction, for example, like maybe you type in law of attraction meditation, for example, or music. Okay, so there are a bunch of niche that are related to music, guys. So same goes with the niche that I just revealed. So just take a look at this one over here. This is also a very long form of videos, 8 hours, 3 hours. Just take a look at the views, 27 million, 12 million, and etc. Okay, so that is one example. So you can find a bunch, any categories or any niche that related to the video or related to the niche that you want to create on YouTube. For example, like shooting baby, if I'm not mistaken, it has a specific baby product, right? For example, like I type in baby sleep miracle. Okay, baby sleep miracle is a very one of the best product for the parenting niche. So this is the baby sleep miracle product. So as you can see, you're gonna get paid $22 or almost $23 every time people purchase from your affiliate link, right? So this is very congruent with this type of videos, right, which is related to baby. And what you need to do, right, so simply sign up on ClickBank, and then let's take a look at this one over here. I'm going to click this one. So once you upload your videos, what you need to do is you need to put your affiliate link down below in the video, right, which is the somewhere in the description box, just how this channel do it over here, right? So in order to do that, you need to click on the product that you want to promote. For example, this one, click promote, and then simply generate hop links. Okay, so copy the hop links, and then you're going to be able to get the hop link, and then simply go to the YouTube videos that you just upload and simply paste your affiliate link underneath of the videos. As simple as that. So guys, that is how you're going to be able to make money with YouTube without actually showing your face or without actually shooting any videos. Right, so guys, I hope you got some values throughout my sharing over here, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget, if you want to learn how to discover how to grow your online business, click the first link in the description down below in order to get the free physical book. All right, so guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.